I'm dear friends, and this is Roblox Studio. And let us see how to script today the creation, the changing of properties and the removal of a part in Roblox Studio. So, it's our project and let us go to workspace and add a script. I'm removing this print hello world, and instead of it I will create a variable. Firstly, let it be x, for example, and I will write x equals instance new and now here I'm writing part and the place where it will be workspace. Okay, so we're creating the new part. What kind of part it will be? So we have to choose its size, color, place. So let's do it. Firstly, let it be position. So variable x dot position and equal. We have to use vector 3 dot new and choose 3 coordinates. Let it be 10, 20, 10, for example. Okay, now we choose position, but in order it not to falling down, we have to anchor our part. So we have to script like x anchored to choose true. Okay, otherwise our part will fall. Now let us choose the size of our new part. So we will use the same vector 3, x size will be vector 3 renew, and let us choose. Let it be 10, for example 30 and 10. Okay, we choose the size. Let us choose the color. X brick color will be brick color that, and then choose. I will choose yellow. Okay, so we have position, we have size, we have color. Let us see how it works. This is our part. Okay, and let's say in some time I want to remove this part. Let's go again to our script. I'd say in some time, wait 5 seconds, for example, and I will remove our variable x, destroy. Okay, let's see now. Let's play. We created our part and it's removed. That's it. Thank you.